just bugging.
Second.
That's
first. Put it in low range.
What is? Oh, down here.
Yep.
Okay. That is so weird.
It's good to about 20 miles an hour, and then you go up into first.
Wow.
Then you get into first, you can wind it right out to 50.
And then if you just stop, you don't have to put it neutral and it just idles.
Yep, you just stop like an automatic. That's cool.
Crazy.
This is cool. I've never seen one of these. I've heard about them, but never seen one in person.
Oh yeah. So
You're about to shift. This is cool.
It should say Volkswagen, not Wilkinson. Oh, horn. Oh, there it goes. I'd love to have that truck. Look at the body on that thing. Yeah, the corners are nice. The corners of the cab aren't rotted out. That's like always. I just feel like I'm pushing on the clutch.
I know, it's weird.
That's crazy.
I drive stick every day. So this would definitely be weird to drive.
So this would make you drive. Do you drive with 2 feet or you drive with 1 foot? Do you drive with 1 foot or 2?
First.
Oh. And just let off?
First. I'll take your hand right off.
That's crazy.
Touch it a little bit.
That's your accelerator pump there. That's how you adjust that out. Do I need to go back down?
Just think of it in a second. It'll be fine. Right the first one. I'll get after it.
Oh, man. That's great.
Sweet. I was wondering how it was on the hill, though.
This is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have never driven an Autostick.
It's really hard to get up a hill in my car.
It's really good in second gear.
Wow.
I had it going like 70 on the way down.
So you could go 70 miles an hour,
But I don't go over 50 in first gear.
but I mean, you could drive this on the interstate.
I just told you I was going 70 coming up.
Yeah.
About 102 there.
Wow. That's nice. Now, since I'm starting to get used to it, I'm driving it like you're supposed to drive an automatic with 1 foot.
Yeah, which is weird.
I was
Just leave it right in that gear there, and you can take right off of it.
It's cool.
That is
We're in an
nice.
automatic Beetle.
You just, use 2 gears if you want.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a short video and a little bit of older footage, but I wanted to show G-Man driving the Autostick because he's never drove one before. So if you guys liked it, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just bugging of a day.